Got a weird drop off on a Sunday from Nike. A happy Father's Day gift, I guess. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. These are shooting up in resale value. See how quick that is. The rest of sneaker YouTube's a scam. Take them boys like 30 minutes to open up a box. But happy Father's Day to all. Dope looking box. I don't buy a lot of this model. So what we got here is let's get a shot at the tag. Blazer mid 77 vintage. Retail 120. Can we get a little quick focus? Retail 120. End up coming up to like 128 and shipped pretty fast. I mean, I just thought for the 4th of July, these are fire. As you can see, you got the blue side, snakeskin, pretty decent leather on there. Then you got the red side on the medial side. So, little extra little thing going on. Man, they got these stringed up so tight. It hurts my soul. But they got the unfinished tongue, as you can see. Kind of like an off-white vibe. Like I don't know if you can see them back there. The waffle racers, pretty much exactly the same. One thing I will say about this shoe is that the top part here is like a pure white, and this down here is like a more of a bone white / cream, like a really, really white cream. And you can kind of tell the difference as soon as you see the shoe. I don't know if I'm keeping this for my collection, but these are shooting up in value, and overall a pretty nice silhouette, man. So, maybe this will be the start of a change to the channel, because this is definitely one of my interests is sneakers. Got a pretty weird collection in my house right now, and some other pickups, some recent hype stuff. This is not even the most hype shoe to come in this week, but that'll do it.